everyone, welcome back to my channel C4Craft. Today we will see the process of making this Moroccan style lantern or a Turkish style lantern with just simple supplies. These are the basic supplies that you need. Foam sheet, I'm taking black color, glass jar, glass liner and painting, Fevibond and strong glue. Measure the circumference of the cap. Here I am getting 21 centimeters. Divide that by 4. With that measurement, make a design like an arch and cut it as in the video. After cutting it out, stick it to make a dome-like structure with the help of Fevibond. This glue works really well for the foam sheet. We will glue thin strips on the joints. To make the handle for the lantern, we need 2 beads and a metal wire. We are going to pierce the cap and put the first bead in and twist it. And then insert the wire through the top part of the lantern and then add the second bead to the bottom of the cap and give it a nice twist. Now stick the top part of the cap. We will cut few strips, one broad strip for the base and one thin strip for the top part of the lantern and 4 thin strips for the sides and 4 short strips for the bottom. Paste the thin strip to the top with Fevibond or any glue. Now paste the side strips. I'm using a strong glue here as Fevibond doesn't work well with the glass surface. Also stick the bottom strips. Cut a design on the paper and trace that on the glass with a glass liner. And with the same liner, I'm making design for the top part of the lantern. Now fill in glass colors. I'm using green, yellow and blue. Do the same for all the sides. Now to get an antique look, we are going to use gold dusting powder. Brush little bit of black acrylic color and on top apply the gold powder with dry brush. Now let's do some detailing. Any design of your choice and it is done. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions. Also, please do subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on the latest videos.